This is the story of a boy who had two father figures in his life. One was his real father, whom he called Poor Dad, and the other was his friend's father, whom he called Rich Dad. Poor Dad was highly educated and had a good job. He believed in working hard, getting a secure job, and living a safe life. He often said, "Study well, get good grades, and find a stable job." Rich Dad was not highly educated, but he understood money very well. He believed that money should work for you, not that you should work for money. He talked about business, investing, and building assets. The boy listened to both fathers. Poor Dad was careful with money and often said, "I can't afford it." Rich Dad encouraged thinking differently and would say, "How can I afford it?" As the boy grew older, he realized that the real difference was not how much money they earned, but how they thought about money. Rich Dad taught him that financial education is just as important as academic education. In the end, the boy learned that assets create wealth, while liabilities take money away. Financial knowledge is the key to freedom. Rich people make money work for them. Leçon. Success is not only about earning more money, but about understanding money and using it wisely.